This is snow so far. It is 10 p.m. This is snow. Oh my god. Okay, let's see. I can't wait to see how it looks tomorrow. Okay, let's go out. Let me just see what this looks like. Ooh, okay. Oh my god. Wow. So far, so good. So good. This is what we have so far. This is so scary. This is just the beginning. Wow. And it's supposed to be 17 inches of snow. Oh god. Oh my god. There is no way. There is no way. You see it falling. Okay. It's kind of cold. Let me go back in, please. See you tomorrow. Wow, be safe, guys. Oh my god. If this is just the beginning, it is 10:09. And you see how it looks so far? Wow. Okay, let's see how it looks tomorrow. And honestly, I'm not even scared about the snow itself. I'm concerned about the after, like the post snow, the post storm, like after the snow, the days that will follow the snow. God. That is so scary. 17 inches of snow. Wow. Oh my god. So when it will transform into ice, how are we going to cope? How are we going to step out? Like how? How? People who live in Canada, please, how do you guys do? Because this is scary for real. Wow. Oh my god. This is so scary. You know what? I should go to sleep. I need to sleep. Fingers crossed tomorrow it won't be that crazy. It won't be 17 inches. That's my prayer. Because that would be so crazy. That would be so crazy. Oh my god. It's so crazy. I need to see you guys tomorrow, okay? Wow. Papa Dora. Ooh.